Comets, asteroids, and most meteorites are very old. Scientists can learn about the early solar system by studying them. Hi, and welcome back. In today's science episode, I will talk about other objects in the solar system. Objects in the solar system. Comets. You might have heard of Halley's Comet. A comet is composed of dust and rock particles mixed with frozen water, methane, and ammonia. Halleys Comet was last seen from Earth in 1986. English astronomer Edmund Halley realized that comet sightings that had taken place about every 76 years were really sightings of the same comet. This comet, which takes about 76 years to orbit the Sun, was named after him. Ort Cloud. Astronomer John Oort proposed the idea that billions of comets surround the solar system. This cloud of comets, called the Ort Cloud, is located beyond the orbit of Pluto. Oort suggested that the gravities of the Sun and nearby stars interact with comets in the Oort Cloud. Comets either escape from the solar system or get captured into smaller orbits. Structure of comets. As a comet approaches the Sun, it changes. Ices of water, methane, and ammonia vaporize because of the heat from the Sun. This releases dust and jets of gas. The gases and releases dust form a bright cloud called a coma around the nucleus or solid part of the comet. The solar wind pushes on the gases and dust in the coma, causing the particles to form separate tails that point away from the Sun. After many trips around the Sun, most of the ice in a comet's nucleus has vaporized. All that's left are dust and rock, which are spread throughout the orbit of the original comet. And this photograph explains what does a comet consist of. A comet consists of a nucleus, a coma, a dust tail, and an ion tail. Pictures of the comet Wild 2 from Stardust show the comet has a rocky crater surface. Meteoroids, and meteorites. You learn that comets vaporize and break up after they have passed close to the Sun many times. The small pieces from the comet's nucleus spread out into a loose groove within the original orbit of the comet. These pieces of dust and rock, along with those derived from other sources, are called meteoroids. Sometimes the path of a meteoroid crosses the position of Earth, and it enters Earth's atmosphere at speeds of 15 km per second to 70 km per second. Most meteoroids are so small that they completely burn up in Earth's atmosphere. A meteoroid that burns up in Earth's atmosphere is called a meteor. Meteor showers. Each time Earth passes through the loose group of particles within the old orbit of a comet, many small particles of rock and dust enter the atmosphere. Because more meteors than usual are seen, the event is called a meteor shower. When a meteoroid is large enough, it might not burn up completely in the atmosphere. If it strikes Earth, it is called a meteorite. Asteroids. An asteroid is a piece of rock similar to the material that formed into the planets. Most asteroids are located in an area between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter called the asteroid belt, as you can see in this illustration. Why are they located there? The gravity of Jupiter might have kept a planet from forming in the area where the asteroid belt is located now. Other asteroids are scattered throughout the solar system. They might have been thrown out of the belt by Jupiter's gravity. Some of these asteroids have orbits that cross Earth's orbit. Scientists monitor the position of these asteroids. However, it is unlikely that an asteroid will hit Earth in the near future. Asteroid sizes. The sizes of the asteroids in the asteroid belt range from tiny particles to objects 940 kilometers in diameter. Ceres is the largest and the first one discovered. The asteroid Caspra, shown in the photograph, was photographed by Galileo on its way to Jupiter. Comets, asteroids, and most meteoroids formed early in the history of the solar system. Scientists study these space objects to learn what the solar system might have been like long ago. Understanding this could help scientists better understand how Earth formed.
I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching and until the next one. Bye!